AWS Cloud Traineeship Job Guarantee. Tired of watching others land tech jobs while you're stuck wondering how to begin? Want a six-figure tech career but feel like you're years behind? Scrolling past tech job ads thinking, that could be me? Now it actually can be. This is your chance to break in with no experience, no risk, and a job guarantee. Welcome to Fortray's AWS Cloud Architect Career Bootcamp. Over 98% of our learners land a tech job in just 6 weeks. And if you don't, we refund your fees. Simple as that. You will learn from cloud professionals still active in the field with one-to-one mentorship, hands-on AWS projects, and a full roadmap from beginner to job ready. Starting salaries range from £23,000 to £35,000, and with the right path, you'll reach 6 figures as an AWS Cloud Architect. Join over 1,100 learners who've already made the leap, rated 4.8 stars, and with Enroll Now, Pay Later options, there's never been a better time. Book your free call today. Your future in cloud starts right now.